How to turn off personalized ads on X and improve your privacy. This tutorial will show you the quickest way to disable targeted advertising on your account. First, open the X app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy and Safety and look for Ads Preferences or Personalization and Data, depending on your app version. Tap on it. Now find the option called Personalized Ads and turn the toggle off. Once disabled, X will no longer use additional information from its advertising partners and your activity across other websites to personalize ads for you. Keep in mind that you'll still see ads on X, but they will be less targeted and based less on your interests and online activity. For even more privacy, you can also review other personalization settings, such as personalize based on your inferred identity and disable any options you don't want enabled. That's it. You've successfully turned off personalized ads on X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more X app tips, privacy settings guides, and social media tutorials.